Now, have you ever wanted a phone that looks like a mech, also lasts for days, and can actually survive the outdoors? Now, this is the DOOGEE S200 Ultra. And yes, that battery is wild. Today, I'm doing a real-world phone-only review you can actually copy at home. Let's go. Now, to give you a quick spec, this has a density 7400 5G with 6.72-inch Full HD Plus with 120 Hz display and a 1.32 rear AMOLED secondary display. It has 1 TB storage option and the massive 11,000 milliamp hour battery. It's rugged built as well. It has a mecha look and it has Android 15. That's pretty good, right? Now first, it looks like a mech. The S200 Ultra isn't trying to be subtle. Now those angles, the LED breathing accents, rear mini screen give it a sci-fi vibe. But it's not just for show though. This is built to take a beating. Later, we're gonna have a drop test and show you how well it does. Now the 6.72 120Hz screen is smooth for scrolling and watching videos. The colors pop and is responsive for gaming. Now if you're editing phone clips or watching YouTube, this is a nice snappy panel. Now with the density 7400 and the options of 1 TB, the S200 Ultra is built for heavy storage, like photos, videos, offline maps, or whatever you want. Multitasking feels smooth as well, and that big storage means you can actually hold a full trip's worth of footage. Now I once went camping and forgot my charger. What a nightmare, right? With the S200 Ultra's 11,000 milliamp hour battery, you can realistically go multiple days on a single charge if you're careful. For me, that means less stress and more shooting. Now here are some shots that I've taken with the S200 Ultra. Now for the video, I did a light use test for social media, music, and photos, and I didn't even flinch. Now this is a test of the front camera. I'm taking a video right now. I'm also taking, this is also a test for the audio. So let me know what you think, if it's any good or not. You know, this is something like, not like a cinematographer would be doing, right? It's just, let's just see if the front camera is useful, really. Let me know if it's any good for you. What do you think of the quality? Now, the camera system in rugged phones used to be, kind of meh, right? Not anymore. The S200 Ultra gives solid results for day shots. And the real win is the rugged body means you'll actually take it outside, for photos you'd normally skip. Now, this phone is aimed at outdoor players, with flashlight mode, hardy construction, big battery for long trips as well. It's also surprisingly everyday friendly. Lots of storage, fast processor, and the little rear screen is useful for quick info without waking up the whole device. Now let's test out a couple of games here that basically is what I call is a good test for what kind of GPU, CPU does a phone has, because they're pretty intensive. They also ask a lot out of the phone's GPU. So this is a good test for it and see if it's any good or not.
Ammo. Don't forget to level up your skills. We must get stronger. The gun's ready. Load it up. This is my ultimate attack. Oh, someone coming. Blood. Don't rush ahead alone. Push under the cover of the minion. Your team destroyed a turret. Orcs are all dim. Oh, bring out the big gun. That's all the threats I've ever heard. Bring it on. Yoo-hoo! Their base is right ahead. To victory! Victory!
This is also a good test for the speakers. We're just basically playing Genshin Impact here. And we get test the speakers and also at the same time the GPU, CPU, and how well it does.
Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back. Is he talking to a dragon? Who's there? Luckily, Paimon managed to grab hold of your hair. Just what? Yeah. Oh, what's that? There's some kind of shine. Let's go take. Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this. Paimon's never seen a stone like this before. All Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we've got it.
Now let's just do a quick drop test here. Let's go ahead, 3, 2, 1. And as you could see there, everything is all good. Everything is protected. It hit the concrete pretty well there. And then it slid a little bit. No cracks at all on the front or even on the back screen. Everything is all good. Now, if you're an outdoor person, content creator who travels, or anyone who hates low battery anxiety, the S200 Ultra is built for you. It's not a tiny flagship for fashion, it's a toolbox. If you want flashy slim phones, go elsewhere. If you want practical and power, this is a strong pick. Now, if you want to grab one of these, I'll put the link in my description below. I'll also drop the full specs on there and my time-saving tips in the description below. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!